Hi, in this video, uh, just run our first Java program that is Hello World program. So you can just learn how to run code in Eclipse in first time. That is the first video. So just copy this program and paste in here. There is already I have installed Eclipse ID. So if you want Eclipse ID installation, you can watch another video, YouTube video for installation purpose. And if you know, then comment me. So I also make video for the installation of Eclipse. So just we have create new project like Hello World. Just create project like there is mention the project name like um, Hello Java. Uh, this is this is my first program. If you want to uh, start, then this is Hello Java is created. Then you right click and create new, then direct you go from classes. You know the most beautiful feature in Java is creating class then writing code. So I just create class like hello Java, hello Java, and then public static void main method, then the this is created. So hello package is hello Java. You default give the default in packages. Also hello Java is created, then our syntax main method is created automatically. This is the Eclipse id features. And then our main thing is print the hello world. There is fast printing the hello world is some dot out dot print println, just like you remove it that thing and write world and just run this thing. And after run, the hello world is printed. Now the fast programming is done. So we will learn the next things in this video. So we go for our thing, that is applications of Java. In which field we use Java, this is the most of thing. The desktop application like media player, antiviruses, and any other apps is used for in desktop. Also we create this thing in Java. Web applications such as IATC, this is a famous website in Indian Railway. So you can also know the this application also made from Java. After their enterprises application and such as banking application also made in Java. Mobile application also created in Java, and embedded system lots of thing, and complicated designing complicated app is also created by through Java. Then smart card system, robotics and games, blockchain also you can application is used in Java. So Java is purely beautiful language, and you can use as it various fields. So it is most important. So you learn this thing and know the beauty of Java. Then how many types of application created in Java? That thing you will learn in this video. Then first, primarily, mainly four types of application created in Java program. That is one is standalone application. That's standalone application is mainly window based, and just a PC. You use PC, laptop, that thing. We just like our some notepad, that like apps are called a standalone. Those who are available easily, and that thing is used to daily life. So that thing is called as standalone application. That's then second one is web application. Lots of web application are on here. We don't know the programming, so if you know the programming, you can explore this thing. Which application is made from Java, just like application that's run on server side, create a dynamic page is called a web application. That's called the web. Currently serverless JSP, Proc, Spring, Hibernate, JSP technology are used for creating web pages. Those technologies are used for creating web application. That's why lots of application here on websites that's in used by through Java. So you can use those features, those technologies made from Java. That's why Java is multi-purpose language. So then third is enterprises application. You know the lots of banks, lots of private company, corporate company use the application like banking, anything, self system management. These things are also used in Java language, and that is beauty of another section of Java. And another more is also you build your web application in Java and Java. That is the beauty. Mobile application also build Android, Java, me are used to creating mobile application. Also another new features are come in future. So you uh, learn Java. That is the most important thing. And features, these features also we discuss in next video. So learn the continue with me and learning the Java with me in next video. So I will uh, end this video now.